Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, which of the following polygon has irrational symmetry? Whether it is parallelogram, scalene triangle, semicircle or kite. Firstly, the rotational symmetry of any shape explains that when an object is rotated on its own axis, the shape of the object looks the same. Now here, in case of parallelogram, scalene triangle and semicircle, a parallelogram, scalene triangle and semicircle does not have any symmetry. If it rotated, since the shape is asymmetric. Now, in case of kite shape is symmetric. That is, it has one line of symmetry, it has one line of symmetry and after rotated around a full circle, still looks the same. So from this, kite has the rotational symmetry. That is, our correct option is option D.